Hi everyone, welcome to a new Clean With Me video. I love to watch these kind of videos myself. I get really motivated and inspired to clean my own home, and right now it is really needed. There's just dust flying everywhere and stuff like that, so it is time to clean the house. So if you want to clean with me, go grab a big bottle of water or something to stay hydrated. Wear something comfortable so you can move around easily. You can either listen to this video or put on some music you like to listen to really get into that cleaning mood, you know? Whenever I have a big cleaning day like this, I like to start off with a load of laundry. And today I'm going to clean the sheets. I like to do this before I start cleaning because then I feel extra productive. It feels like I'm getting two things done at the same time. I prefer to wash the sheets once a week because our little dog Izzy likes to sleep in the bed with us, or at least at my side. She always starts in her own dog bed, but somehow I always wake up with her curled up against my legs. Did you know it is better for the environment and your clothing to wash on lower temperatures? I normally wash my clothing on 30 or 40 degrees and it always comes out nice and clean. Now that I turned the washing machine on, I am going to our clothing room for a deep clean. First, I am going to take out all of the clothes, the hangers and accessories so I can dust inside the closet. All the rims also collect dust, so I make sure to not forget those. I use two cloths to clean. One is dry for the dust and one is a little bit damp with cleaning solution, and that is for the deep cleaning. Whenever I'm shaking out my dust cloth, I make sure that no one is passing by on the street. I don't think anyone would appreciate dust falling on their head. Now it is time to clean, organize and declutter our self-care drawer. My husband and I keep all of our beauty supplies here, like deodorant, body lotion, dog shampoo, stuff like that. We don't have a lot of storage in our bathroom, so the things we don't use that often or use just before we get dressed are stored here. Time to put back the clothes and accessories. This closet contains most of my husband's shirts and sweaters, but there are also some of my longer hanging clothes like dresses at the end of the rail. The other closet contains my shorter hanging clothes. As you can see, I don't own a lot of shorter pieces, but that is very handy because there is a lot of space to hang clothing that just came out of the wash. I just dry them while they are hanging in our closet. Underneath my hanging clothes, I have a drawer with my skirts and pants. And just like I did with the other parts of my closet, I empty the drawer, dust and vacuum, and lastly I use my damp cloth with some cleaning solution to make sure everything is nice and clean. In the next drawer, I have my jewelry, makeup, workout clothes, and loungewear. Now, most of my workout clothes I haven't worn, to be honest. I mostly wear my yoga pants, but other than that, I'm not really bothered to put on a full set of workout clothes when I work out. My makeup organizer also needed a deep clean, as well as my makeup brushes. I tend to postpone doing this a lot. I don't think I am the only one in this. Let me know in the comments if you like cleaning your makeup brushes or that you are like me and tend to not wash them for several weeks. I know, I should be ashamed, and I am a little bit, but just keeping it real here. This is also a time where I like to go through my makeup collection and see what I use often, what I want to keep or get rid of, what should be replaced, etc. As a teenager, I used to have a lot of makeup, but now I mostly wear the same thing. I don't experiment with makeup as much as I used to. I wear the same products often, so it feels very natural to have a minimal collection. It suits me better now. The last finishing touches in this room is vacuuming the floors and really get into those little corners where there tends to be a lot of buildup of dust. Also, I am not this thorough every single week with cleaning, so once in a while it needs a little bit more attention. The next room that I'm going to tackle is our bedroom. I am in love with these bookshelves that my husband and I made, but there were some books that I didn't want to keep anymore. I only keep the books that I haven't read yet or the ones that I know I would read again. This way I can give away or donate books so they will be read or get a nice home. This bed from IKEA has a separate headboard you can buy, and I love it. It isn't only a headboard, it is also our nightstand with a ton of storage on both sides, which is really nice. I have a trick that my mom taught me, and I wonder if anyone else changes their sheets this way. Make sure that your clean duvet cover is inside out. Put your hands in the cover and grab the outer corners. Then also grab the corners of the duvet and hold them tight. Pull the cover over the duvet by shaking it out. Flip the bedding so the other corners face you and put them into the duvet. Then again grab the corners and shake everything out. This way you make sure that everything is in its place. I also use this trick for the pillows. It works just as well. A lot of dust can spread while you are changing the sheets, so I like to vacuum after. Last but not least, I cleaned the rims of the door and then I was done with the bedroom. After deep cleaning those rooms, I was pretty tired and decided to do my office space the next day. I always learned that you have to push through and finish what you start, but this mentality totally drained me. Now I am trying to slow down and listen to my body. It's still really difficult because I love getting things done. It gives me that high. But it is more important to take care of yourself and to learn when to take a break. There should be a balance between discipline, pushing yourself, and rest and being playful. When I was decluttering the other rooms, I often moved stuff into my office so I could take care of it later. Some things needed to be moved to the attic or into a donation box, stuff like that. I can't remember where I got this quote from, and I don't remember how it was said exactly, but it was something like, decluttering is just moving objects from one place to another. Which in my mind makes it sound a lot less overwhelming. My office space is my favorite place of the house. I spend a lot of time sitting at my desk, planning or creating something, so it is important to me that my space is very calming and inspiring. Of course, it needs to be functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. I want it to be bright and airy without a lot of distractions. That's why I went for mostly white furniture, white curtains, hints of wood, and of course, plants. The only thing that is on my desk is my laptop, because I also film my bullet journal videos here and make the stickers that I sell in my Etsy shop. This little corner right here is created especially for my dog Izzy, who always sleeps and chills here when I work. Hearing her snore and watching her sleep calms me, and once in a while I take a break to give her some kisses and cuddles. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked it, that you are motivated to clean your space, or if you cleaned with me, that you feel happy and joyful about how it is right now. I certainly am. It always gives me so much peace, and I feel like I can breathe again and focus on the things that matter, like work or inner work. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!